కేంద్ర మంత్రి కిరణ్ రిజిజు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు అలా చూద్దాం.
भी नहीं कर सकता है कि डिस्कशन से भागने वाला अपोजिशन पार्टी पार्लियामेंट कैसे चलेगा? फिर पार्लियामेंट में डिस्कस नहीं करेगा, पार्लियामेंट मंत्री जवाब नहीं दे सकते हैं, पार्लियामेंट में सरकार अपना बात नहीं रख सकता है, वो सुनने ही नहीं चाहते हैं। मतलब तकिया पकड़ के नाराबाजी करना एक नॉर्मल कर दिया है। अब तो कांग्रेस पार्टी के एमपी सोचते हैं कि उसका काम ही सिर्फ नारा लगाना, तकिया पकड़ना, गाली देना, यही काम रहेगा। इसको नॉर्मल बना दिया है। पार्लियामेंट के अंदर में डिबेट डिस्कशन तो भूल गए हैं ये लोग। मैं कल्पना नहीं कर सकता हूं कि कांग्रेस पार्टी एक जमाने में बड़े पार्टी थे, लगभग 50 दशक से ज्यादा उन्होंने शासन किया इस देश को, और कांग्रेस पार्टी का ये हाल हो जाएगा, कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकता है। क्या हो गया कांग्रेस पार्टी को? डिस्कशन से भागने वाला पार्टी। कौन विश्वास करेगा कि कांग्रेस इतना नीचे डूब जाएगा? ये हालत होगा कांग्रेस पार्टी, सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं। इसलिए कल आखिरी दिन है, हमने तो आज भी अपील किया है। मैं बहुत भारी मन, दुखी मन से कह रहा हूं, आई एम रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड दैट ऑपोजिशन पार्टी इज रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम द डिबेट इन द पार्लियामेंट. Unthinkable, incomprehensible that in parliamentary democracy, opposition party is running away from the debate and government is insisting on full-fledged discussion and also the reply.
So what will be the future of delimitation and mineral reservation bill?
वो तो मैं बात बताऊंगा वो विषय को। इंग्लिश में मैंने बोला ना, इंग्लिश में एक मिनट
You are saying only 1 day is left.
हाँ, वो नहीं। See, today as not only as a parliamentary affairs minister, I am also a member of parliament. I am extremely pained, disturbed and frustrated that it is first time in the history of parliamentary democracy that the opposition party is running away from discussion in the parliament. Otherwise, it is always the opposition which seeks the discussion and the government which tries to defer it. But here the government is too eager to place on record seeking discussion on the floor of the house, and the opposition party is running away. I have never seen such irresponsible opposition party which is not ready to come to the parliament for debate. They are interested only in shouting slogans, use abusive language, carries all those kind of very objectionable placards and banners and abuse the Prime Minister. This kind of politics, it is very theatrical politics, and it is very unfortunate to see that once upon a time Congress was a very respectable, very big all India pan party with full responsibility of running the affairs of the country. Today, Congress is reduced to such low that it is not even ready to face the parliament, and they don't realize the basic responsibility of the opposition party, that is to question the government and seek reply from the government. Here is the Congress party and the opposition party who don't want any discussion on the floor of the house. I feel sorry for the young first-time members of parliament. Ever since they have been elected to this house, they have not seen any quality debate. They are not witnessing any high-level parliamentary exchanges on the floor of the house, because house is not simply able to run. So it is very unfortunate for the young MPs who have desired to become a great parliamentarian. We have seen how senior parliamentarians, even you all are senior people, I have seen parliamentary reporting also is an art. But if there is no discussion, what will you report?
So you mentioned the letter also.
This letter is written by the Honorable Home Minister, because after I have made my formal remarks on the floor of the House and giving our concurrence, government's willingness to discuss on the matter of NEET exam paper leakage. Even after 2 days, the opposition party is running away. So Home Minister was bound to write this letter appealing the Honorable Speaker of the House to consult and also to manage the opposition party to come together and agree for a discussion, because Home Minister is extremely pained and he is willing to give in detail all those things which are related to the students' protests and the subsequent the actions which had happened and all related events. So we want full-fledged discussion.
जयराम रमेश ने ट्वीट करके कहा कि 1952 से अब तक पार्लियामेंट की हिस्ट्री में ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि ना तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर और ना गृह मंत्री पार्लियामेंट हाउस में कभी नहीं आया है।
हाउस तो तभी आएंगे ना जब हाउस चलेगी।
Sir, the opposition is saying it's the last second day that the Home Minister writes a letter and gives a media statement.
Oh,
Done it 10 days.
Home Minister is writing today only after they are not listening. I have made appeal from the first day. My appeal, I am the representative of the government as a parliamentary affairs minister. I am the person who is giving all the correct position of the government stand. I have informed the Business Advisory Committee, I informed the House that government is ready to have full-fledged discussion on exam paper leakage with regard to NEET. Only after the opposition is continuing to disturb the House, the Home Minister was bound to write this. This is out of compulsion, he wrote it. Otherwise, what was required? It is not a question of the second last day. He wrote on the second last day because opposition is not coming forward for discussion and session is getting over. So that is why he has made a very desperate appeal actually. So,
सर राहुल गांधी साहब 3 बार मिले हो, आपकी बात हुई, उन्होंने क्या बोला, क्या आपको क्या लगा सर उनकी बात से जब भी आप मिले?
पर्सनली
हिंदी में बोल दीजिए।
मैं बाकी राहुल गांधी जी से और बाकी विपक्ष के नेताओं से जो मेरा मुलाकात के बारे में मैं कल बताऊंगा। आज मैं बहुत भारी मन से गृह मंत्री जी ने ये पत्र लिखना पड़ा, इसलिए मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूं अपना दुख जताने के लिए।
ये जो हिंदी में जवाब दे दिए कि आज क्यों 10 दिन पहले क्यों नहीं?
Last second day क्यों?
वही तो मैं कल बताऊंगा इसका।
हिंदी से बोला
सर अभी जो सर विपक्ष कह रहा है कि आप डैमेज कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं, अमित शाह ने लास्ट सेकंड दे दिया ये चिट्ठी, पहले क्यों नहीं?
डैमेज कंट्रोल का मैं बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं कह रहा हूं कि ये लोग हमने डिस्कशन के लिए अपील करने के बाद, एग्री करने के बाद वो मानते ही नहीं है। तो अब सेशन खत्म होने वाला है तो होम मिनिस्टर को मजबूर से ये पत्र लिखना पड़ा स्पीकर साहब को हाथ जोड़ के कि ऑपोजिशन पार्टी को मनवाइए। अध्यक्ष जी आपका कहने से ये लोग मान सकते हैं, आप बुला करके मनवाइए और चर्चा कराइए। ये होम मिनिस्टर साहब का भाव को समझिए, कितना वो तैयारी रहे हैं कि चर्चा जल्दी हो, चर्चा नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, इसलिए तो ये पत्र लिख रहे हैं।
सर आपको उम्मीद है कि एक दिन बचा है?
Mr. Rijji, do you think it's a legitimate demand of opposition party, particularly in the Congress, saying that there should be a second debate as well on the Ayodhya?
That I can't come to another subject, no, when if you can't discuss on first one.
Reached out to you informally or formally after the elections letter to the speaker? Has there been any?
I met them again. I met them.
You said.
What did they say after the election wrote the letter?
They are not ready. In the house also I told them.
Are you accusing them of running away from a debate?
Yes.
They have been actually asking for a statement.
That is why.
They actually offered a debate. Are you saying that they don't want a debate, they are running away? Is that your allegation?
Not allegation. They are running away. The whole world is watching it. They are running away.
एक दिन बचा है, क्या कोई चांस है, कोई उम्मीद लग रही है आपको?
देखो मैं तो उम्मीद तो मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं और उम्मीद से ही